Hello friends, today I will teach you how to create designs and do prototyping with Adobe XD. So let's get started. So this is a Windows version, and if you're looking for Mac will come sooner. So let me just close this OBS. First, you need to have Adobe XD installed. So to do that, you will have to go to Adobe website adobe.com, and then you'll have to make an Adobe ID. Once you make it, you have to search for Adobe XD download for Windows, as if you are a Windows user, and then you'll have to and then there's a, there are like there is a starter plan which allows you to download for, and it's a free version, which is it's not only like 5 or 7 days, or it's free forever. And it's for personal use, and if you're a professional, you'll have to pay money to get that. But as if you're a as personal user, I suggest you getting the starter plan. And so uh, in, so just open up your Adobe XD after installing. um, but it but also there is a cost, you'll have to sign in to Adobe's XD application. You can continue with Google account, and then enter your password and your Gmail password, and then you get your Adobe XD. I'll just open mine. So Adobe XD. So we'll start off by creating the design with an app design. I'll do iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll just put the screen entire, and here is our iPhone. Now let's create a login. So we'll take this circle and then create the circle. Uh, Now what this does here is that it removes these other circle parts and only keeps the remaining ones, like viewed in the screen. I'll keep this. Mm, this, yes. Uh, I'll do I'll do this linear gradient, and this will be a bit of blue, and this will be much, and you can rotate the gradient. Wait, and the blue color I don't like much more. I'll just put much more like this, and for the red color I'll just put much more like this, and then do Control C, Control B. One more time, Control C, Control B. Okay, I'll add a shadow. So you'll have to click on the drop shadow option. So the drop shadow gives us this thing. No, Control C, and okay. So 5, like 9. Let me just get 9. 4. This is for blurration, like it blurs the amount of whatever. I'll do this, or how about I'll just remove these two, replace it with the other one, and I'll just rotate this. Control C, Control V, and we got this. I'll just change the color as if Okay, good one. Good color, not bad. And then this affords this. No, it's too much like. Yeah, so this is what we get. The results. Okay, this is too much bothering me. I thought it would be nice. No, not this one. This one. Different blues. Okay, we are done with this. Now what we need to do, you click on the text. This is a sign in text, and I'll just do Control A, and then 70. The fill is black. I'll just select the select tool. Just to here. That's more like this. Maybe yeah. And for this to drop shadow. And then I'll take this one's color. Maybe I'll try about this one itself. And it will be this much. Just some user ID fill. Some much like this, yeah. Control C, Control B, and then email. No, we don't like this. Email. No. And then here a password. Email password. And then last but not least, the sign button itself. I'll create a big sign in button. You'll see. Oh shoot. It's more like this maybe. Control C, Control V. And maybe this one, right? 29. Then sign in. Okay. I don't want border radius. Instead, it drop shadow. Yes. Oh shoot. I'll add a border too, but black one. I'll add this background. The linear gradient. I'll do control. Oh shoot. I meant to do Control C. I will just take the bottom color as it is nice to me. Shoot. No, not this thing. Okay. Okay, now copy this, and on this side wait, this side I'm just going to do much more like this. No, Control C. Now what happens? Why every time I'm doing this? Okay, now border is known. The opacity, you can add here an opacity. I think this much opacity is like blurring almost. Oh, I'll check this one. Okay, 91% of opacity. Let's change this to 91. Cool. Now take out the border. Yeah. So the sign in button doesn't need a border too. And also the opacity is 91 itself. Wait. Okay, no border. No. Okay. So what we'll do here is continue with Google much more like that. So I'll do here a fill, a drop shadow, and no much more like opacity. Okay, let's just add an opacity, but much more like this. I'll do here continue with Google, continue with Google. It's too big. $27. Yes. Continue with Google. And then continue with Facebook. Oh shit. Now here you go. This is how our design looks like in Adobe XD. So this is what we have created so far. And okay, so now let's create our prototyping. Yes. So if you want to create prototyping, let's first copy this, and I'll just paste it, and then what and then I'm just going to remove this because there will be some changes on the second screen. Now this is now if now like if anybody like clicks on this sign in button, it will redirect us saying that you are successfully signed in, like that. So you are successfully. Now wait, I'll just get this here, more like here. Oh sure. No, this is the same thing. Okay, you are successfully logged in. It comes with an exclamation saying that you are successfully logged in. So this is how it is. So I'll just put this here. Now then we'll add here a logout button, so and it will redirect us to this page. So to do that, I'll just like uh, uh, I'm going to first write here the logout button. Logout. So so now we did that. Is now you have to go to the prototype tab, and what you will have to do, select this, and then we'll drag it towards this page, and then the logout will drag it towards this page. And so our trigger will be tap. Uh, so whenever we like it's tapping, and then it shows you like you're successfully logged in, like that. And yeah, so there is not only trigger, like not only the trigger tap, but also there is drag keys and game as voice mode, like that. So now let's see the preview. Just click on this button, and then if we click on this, it says you are successfully logged in, and now log out, it successfully logs out. So this is how you can now create designs with Adobe XD and prototype it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends, and comment down below if this helped you. Thank you and bye bye.